Okay, so we're going to do a cold start video here. Pull the choke. Notice that the temperature is 50 degrees. Our ambient temperature is actually about 85. And you hear the little fuel pump going away. And give it a couple seconds. Give it a couple of pumps of gas. Haven't started in a couple days. And there we are. You've got your oil pressure is 64. Need to keep the RPMs up at first. 1800 down. This is our digital speedometer here. Also includes a little compass and an extra ammeter. And the radio here, I'll show you.